Hello and welcome on this new analysis on the Pound GPY from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, it's very important to be fair and honest with everyone here. Of course, my friends, we are here analyzing the market. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. The last time I have analyzed the Pound GPY, it has failed. So I think I have sent a signal to buy at somewhere right here, and as we can see, the market just kept falling down. So just to be fair with you guys, we cannot of course win all of the signals. Thankfully, we have here a high winning ratio, but it doesn't mean that we can win all of the signals. And again, losing is part of this game, and we have always to be ready and prepared for any potential losses. That's my disclaimer before we start the analysis. So let's now start talking about what actually can we expect next with the Pound GPY for the upcoming week. Now, first of all, we are going to analyze the weekly chart. Everyone here knows that our style in Xtreme Trader is to analyze the weekly chart and then daily chart. We will confirm the direction based on these two time frames, and then we will switch to the 4-hour time frame or even 1-hour time frame to find the decent entry where exactly we can buy or sell. So for a starter, let's now go to the weekly chart. Now here is the weekly chart, shows me that the Pound GPY is actually unable so far to make any bullish breakout from the resistance at 198.402. Look at that. Since the month of October, the pair has actually kept making attempts every week to break out from this level of a resistance, but has always failed. Not a single candle closed above this level of a resistance. Right now, the current price action right here is actually a trusted price action, indicates for most likely a bearish reversal, because here we have a small wick at the top of the candle and a longer tail. That's a good price action, indicates a potential bearish reversal. We can see here a similar candle. We can even here see a similar candle. I'm trying to find one here if I'm lucky enough to find and show you the power of this strategy. We having here as well one of them, as you can see here, and anyway, we have here another one as well. So moral of the story is, based on the weekly chart, the market seems to be bearish, and if the pair will continue the fall based on the weekly chart, most likely it will continue the fall till it reaches the nearest level of a key support, which lies exactly right here. Remember, we are actually right now on the weekly chart, so each tail and wick right here represents of course a strong key level of a support. So therefore, if the pair will continue the fall, most likely it will reach this level of a support. So meaning we're still looking for around over 250 pips more to go. Good. Let's now move to the daily chart. Now here daily chart shows me of course a strong price action, as well indicates a potential bearish reversal. Let me just now show you what I'm seeing right now. So what we are going to do right now is simply draw here a resistance trend line. And as we can see right here, exactly to be precise, just like this. Fantastic. So here we had, of course, a real level of a resistance trend line, number 1, number 2, number 3. Then we had here several fake breakouts from the same level of a real resistance trend line. And then the market kept respecting the same areas repeatedly. Even we had here another fake breakouts. However, now our style here also in Xtreme Trader is to use the magic of trend lines. What does it mean? Let me show you. First of all, I would like to show you here that we can draw here, of course, a resistance trend line, right? Good. Now what we will do here is simply drag the very same line that we have drawn here and just simply place it right here exactly at the nearest level of a key resistance trend line, which is right here again. I actually, my friends, have many videos on my channel explaining the magic of trend lines. Please refer to it to understand what I just did right here. So now we can see that in the past, this was of course a real level of a resistance trend line, then a fake breakout, and then again, the same level of a real resistance trend line has indeed been respected repeatedly. Then later on, we can see here a fake breakout. So now, if the Pound GPY will continue the rise, we can actually expect from the market to respect the same level of a resistance trend line, and afterward, it will continue the fall. So again, even daily chart confirms me that we can sell the Pound GPY. Now, let's move to the 4-hour time frame to find the decent entry. Now here is the 4-hour time frame. Let me just now do like this, lowering the price scale, or as I like to call it, squeezing the chart to give us of course a better view and perspective on the market. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see here clearly that we had also a broken level of a support trend line. Interesting. So that means, let me just make it accurate, just like that. So that means that the pound JPY actually has a good chance to continue the rise till it reaches the same level of a broken support trend line, and then becomes here, of course, a new resistance trend line. That's for a starter. Let's now draw the Fibonacci retracement just to check our retracement level. Exactly. Check this out. So right now, the pair actually has a good chance to continue the rise till it reaches, of course, Fibonacci 50. And after that, in my opinion, it's going to be a good level to start shorting the pound JPY. Why right here? For two reasons. Number one is this level of a real resistance, which is actually the nearest one to this bearish breakout candle. Look at that. Here, after this bearish breakout candle, we had here a support, then we had here a resistance, but that resistance has already been retested as a support. So therefore, the candle is actually above this level of a previous resistance. We are talking about this candle right here. So we have here a support, and then a fake breakout, and then a real level of a resistance finally. So therefore, if the pound JPY will continue the rise, I believe it's going to be good to sell the pair right here, exactly because here it's going to be retesting the broken level of a support trend line, plus of course respecting the real level of a resistance, which was, by the way, in the past a strong key level of a support as well. That's going to be, in my opinion, the safest level of all to sell the pound JPY. And if we did, we can actually continue the sell till the market reach the absolutely lowest level of a real support right here, exactly at 194.208. And the safe zone in this case shouldn't actually be ranging much higher than Fibonacci 61.8 till the peak of the resistance right here, exactly at 197.394. Let me know, please write the signal for you. And there goes our deal on the pound JPY, my friends. Let me close this one. And I hope it's going to be a good deal for everyone. And again, my friends, don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. I might adjust the entry or the take profit level, or actually might tell you to close it in partial profit or even a loss. This is the channel here, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. Another reason to join is, like, for example, here, today actually I have posted a video about this silver, and I have typed the entry point incorrectly, and here I was actually able to contact my followers, telling them to fix the entry to be at this level instead of the other one. So that's the reason I'm telling you, better to stay connected to Xtreme Trader and join our free channel. It's completely free. You don't have to pay anything at all. Just connect to us through this channel and stay connected to Xtreme Trader. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.